Okay, so like I said, we're going to take a look at breaking down 3 coins. If I was to flip 3 different coins, okay, this is coin 1, coin 2, coin 3. If I flip the first coin, I have an option of a heads and a tails. Okay, that's coin flip number 1. It's the only options you can get. Okay, unless you have a 2-headed coin or a 2-tailed coin, but we're not playing with it. We're playing with a fair coin. Okay, so now flip number 2 happens here. You can get a heads or a tails. Okay, and then also if I flip the first one and got a tails, I could still also get a heads or a tails. Okay, now we've gone through coin 1, coin 2. Now I'm going to flip coin 3. Coin 3 could also produce a heads or a tails. 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 So you can see, like when we had that, when I wrote that on the board earlier, you can get a heads, heads, heads. Heads, heads, tails. Heads, tails, heads. Heads, tails, tails. Tails, heads, heads. Tails, heads, tails. Tails, tails, heads. Tails, tails, tails. That's how you would display a tree diagram when you're flipping 3 coins.